Hello everybody. Today we're going to be unboxing the 6000XP from EG4 Electronics. This is a 6,000 watt off-grid inverter with battery connection, solar input connection, and the ability to pass generator and grid. Let's get started. Now we've got the box open. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. On top here we have a mounting template for the 6000XP. You can put that up on the wall. You'll know where the bolts are that you're going to put in to actually mount the product, as well as kind of give you an idea of where you want your batteries to be. So you can use this to kind of help guide the installation, and you won't be having to blindly put the inverter up on the wall. See here we also have this is the Wi-Fi dongle. Take it out here real quick. Gloves are a bit too big for my hands, so I'm going to go ahead and take one off. Inside here. So these dongles are a bit smaller than what came with the 18K PV, and these fit right into the 6000. That to the side. We're going to pull off top layer styrofoam here, and now we have the 6000XP. On the side we have some cables. These are the inverter to inverter cables. This is for paralleling, if you have multiple inverters in a set, and then these are the battery to inverter cables for closed loop communication. So if you're using EG4 batteries, you can just plug this into the inverter, plug it in the batteries, and you'll have closed loop. Over here on this side we have our off-grid inverter user manual, as well as the expansion bolts and mounting bolts included with the product here. So let's take a look inside real quick. Pop this open, pull out the manual. And inside the manual here, it's a thick paper. I think it's cardstock. I'm not very familiar with paper terminology, but it's very thick paper. And we have here the packing list, so you can double check and make sure that you have all the products that come with your 6000XP purchase. We're going to go ahead and set this off to the side. Take a look. I believe that was everything that we have in here. So let's take a closer look at what we've got. So here are all the items that are included in the box with the 6000XP. Here's our mounting template. And then we have the cabling, screws, and our Wi-Fi dongle, which the box says, please inquire your local supplier for customer code during registration. That is for registering on the EG4 web monitor or mobile app, so that way you can monitor your system. We have a big, nice manual here. Let's take a close look at the 6000XP here. We have some breakers that come on the front. They have protection, though, to kind of close them off. We have a breaker for the load, grid, generator, as well as battery breakers, all accessible on the front of the inverter. The EG4 6000XP is the perfect inverter for off-grid installation and living, as it can range from small to large and everything in between. Stay tuned for future content as we provide installations, demonstrations, and tips and tricks regarding this product. Thank you for watching.